Hi, welcome to the Tabletop Foundry, a place all about board games. I'm Chris Krupp, and today I'm going to show you something really cool I made with my 3D printer. I'm pretty excited about it, so let's dig into it. This is Splendor. It's a 2 to 4 tableau building game that it was one of the first additions to my collection when I first got into the hobby, and I feel like it's continued to last. I feel like it has a place in my collection, at least at this point. I don't feel like it's going anywhere time soon. My only gripe with it was that the box is huge. Um, they could have done so much more. It could have had a such smaller footprint than it has. Um, Most of this box is just empty space, and that always bothered me. So my first upgrade I ever have done with my 3D printer was a new box for Splendor. Um, I feel like it is going to be way more efficient. It was a fun project to do. I found it is designed by Kabong. I found it at Thingiverse. It ended up turning out pretty good. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, but it's much smaller than the box it comes in, which I am very, very happy about. Um, so let's find out how this fits in here together. So let's take this and we'll go put the green chips in here. Pretty stoked on this. I feel like I wasn't sure about the rainbow filament, but I feel like it ended up being perfect for this game, honestly, just because of the gem theme. Well, there's a little bit of wiggle room in there. I thought it was going to be a little bit tighter, but that's okay. Let's see here. Let's put the gems. And like that. And then these tiles will go on the side here. Boom. And then, so this box is also designed for sleeved cards. So I'm going to do that actually really fast. Just a second. So now that all the cards are sleeved, oh, by the way, I got these from one of the Sleeve King Kickstarters. They're 100 microns thick. I've gotten a couple from several of their projects, and these sleeves are, in my opinion, the best that I can find. They seem to fit all in there perfectly. The chips wiggle a little bit, but not much. Overall, like, this is pretty cool. Now let's see how it shuts over. My only gripe about this design is I'm probably going to have to use some kind of rubber band to keep this shut, and that these side holes are kind of large. And you can kind of see inside, but I mean, overall, this turned out cool. I'm excited about it. Yeah, this is going in the garbage. I hate to throw away game board boxes, but honestly, this one irritates me just enough. that I'm just tossing it. Yeah, so if you have any questions, please let me know. I thought this turned out really cool. I'll most likely start printing a lot of these. Not this, but a lot of different alternative boxes for my games, because I like the outcome of that. So if you'd like to see more stuff like this, please let me know down in the comments. Pretty excited about it. Like I said, I'm probably gonna have to put some kind of rubber band around it. It's really wiggly, but yeah. Please subscribe, like my video. Anything would help. I'm just trying to grow my channel, so thank you for stopping by, and I appreciate it so much. Thanks.